assistant is you.
Well, Redbird, it's like we are reading together, into help others with special needs.
We're gonna create a musical together.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and we're going to create musical together. So everyone one out there can have fun.
Do you want to tell them what the activities are that we have?
Yep. Script writing, character development, performing arts, visual arts, music and movement, games and play, nature walks, fireside, s'mores, songs, storytelling around the fire, souvenir Redbird Farm t-shirt.
Gosh, this gets me so excited as we plan for this camp. Do you think we're ready?
I think we're ready. Let's do this.
The big stage, baby.
Yeah.